Just feeding time in the semi-reef safe reef tank. Got the triggerfish right there and the boxfish. Inhaling the black worms. Still having issue getting the boxfish to feed on anything else besides black worm after what's this, the 3rd week. So working on it. But I just right now is like chasing down on the black worm and just inhaling all of them, which is a good thing. And the trigger is doing well too. So far, they're all getting along. You know, sometimes we swim together. And the trigger hasn't shown interest in any corals yet. Neither does the boxfish. So it's good. Things in harmony. Just like this little guy right here too. Look at that. And this guy. Haven't killed each other yet. What's up, Stinky? There's Mac. Mac is just like, no, you look at me. Hello. Stop blocking. Attention whore. What's up, Stinky? Okay. Alright, well, time to feed the dog and the bird and myself. See you guys around.